Today we're going to highlight 10 of our exterior features for our 2022 Montana. Hi, my name's Sam Lengerich. I'm product manager for Montana Fifth Wheels here at Keystone RV. We're super excited about our 2022 product. So today we're going to highlight 10 of our features that were driven by customer input. Number 1, SolarFlex 200. Montanas for 2022 come standard with SolarFlex 200. What is SolarFlex 200? It's a solar watt panel mounted on your roof in conjunction with a 15 amp Victron charge controller. The benefit of this system is to keep your batteries charged and full. For example, a lead acid battery that would go completely dead, the life is half as much as previous. And if you're doing lithium, what a great advantage. It'll keep those lithium batteries fully charged so you can get full power out of them. The advantages of lead acid versus lithium is covered in our YouTube video. Make sure you take a look. Number 2, 12 volt Giggy Box. Our 12 volt Giggy Box is on every 2022 Montana fifth wheel. No longer will you have to go looking at some odd location in your fifth wheel like other competitors have for a full battery disconnect. It's located right here on the cover. Then once you remove the cover, you actually see the guts of the Giggy Box. This brings all of your 12 volt distribution to one location. No massive nest of wires, breakers, it's in one location. And we've also allowed this box to have additional open locations for any 12 volt accessories you would like to add. So for additional information on our 12 volt Giggy Box, keep an eye out on our website. Number 3, positive magnetic baggage latch. For 2022, one of the things that our consumers brought to our attention was our magnetic baggage door latch. That latch, previously, you could use it and it didn't have a positive connection. So if a large gust of wind would come, it could possibly come downward and cause an incident with your head or body. So for 2022, exclusive to Keystone, we developed an actual latch that first of all becomes a positive latch through a magnetic connection. What this allows you to do is have a nice secure baggage door when you decide to get in to your actual belongings in your baggage compartments. Number 4, TST pressure monitoring system. For 2022, on every Montana, you're going to find a TST tire pressure monitoring system. Now ours is just a little bit different and we feel the best in the market. What we've done differently, we've went to a banded system. So the actual sensor for your pressure and heat is banded to the inside rim of your actual wheel. Not only did we do that on all of your wheels, but we also did it on your spare tire. Because we realize how important it is to you that when you need that spare tire, it's full pressure. Always remember the TST system can handle up to 4 trailers, a multitude of tires. That allows you to, for example, if you have a cargo trailer, you don't need a whole nother system. You just buy additional sensors. And the reason we did this system was you, the consumer, and consumers have told us this is the system that you wanted. Not only to protect your tires, but to give you early warning to not cause damage to your RV. There'll be additional information on the TST tire pressure monitoring system available on our website. Number 5, SeaFlo Water Pump. A customer dreads nothing more than a loud water pump. So for 2022, Montanas have a new SeaFlo water pump in them. We found out through customer input, social media, this is one of the best water pumps in the industry. Not only because of its performance, it is 12 dB quieter than most of the competitive water pumps. That means a quieter water pump. In conjunction with it being quieter, a pre-filter on the actual water pump. Some brands don't even offer this pre-filter, but it's located right here for it to be easily changed when needed. Number 6, white exterior AC shrouds. Listening to customer input, ACs are so important in keeping the interior of your RV cool. One of the things that we found through customer input is just the shroud of the AC. Previously, our shrouds were black. That black color made the AC work harder and less efficient. So for 2022, we've changed all of our AC shrouds to white. That allows your unit to run cooler and perform better. Number 7, dual battery box. For 2022, the battery box is so important as solar, lithium, all of that has changed in the industry. We've added now standard in every Montana a dual battery box. Also, take a look at our battery box because it's different than most that you find out there. It has a positive and negative connection on the top of the box that allows you quickly to get power if you need to the batteries without removing the lid. Number 8, entry assist handle. Our entry assist handle on the screen door is exclusive to Keystone. We've developed this in conjunction with Lippert. This handle not only makes it convenient getting in and out of your unit, but it also releases your screen door. So no longer do you need to grab onto a small area of the screen door to open and close it. Just a soft, gentle push down on the bar, the screen door will release, and you can either open it or close it. Number 9, 80 amp breaker. On the 2021 Montana product, customers asked for us to increase the breaker on the actual hydraulic system when it comes to leveling. So we did. We went to an 80 amp breaker. We've continued this feature into the 2022 product. The benefits of the 80 amp breaker allows the breaker to not have to reset when you get that large surge of power that slide outs and hydraulic systems need. Previously, the 50 amp breaker that we had may not be enough when you're talking about a large draw in cold weather conditions. This 80 amp breaker will cover you in those cases. Number 10, DEXTER Gladiator axles. In 2021, we introduced Gladiator axles made by DEXTER to the Montana brand. The success of that has caused us to continue them into 2022 product. What's the benefits of a Gladiator axle? We've taken the main tube of the axle, which is cambered, to a 50% thicker, what they call tube wall, to increase the performance and the longevity of that axle tube. In conjunction to that, we've taken the leaf springs that are normally a 3,500 pound set to a 4,000 pound set on each side. Keep in mind, all these benefits are in conjunction with the never adjust brakes that the DEXTER axles have as standard. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe below, and we hope to make your camping experience better.